In this video, I will show you how to uninstall Microsoft Edge on Windows 11 or 10. Uninstalling Microsoft Edge completely from your Windows system in 2024 can be a complex process, as it is tightly integrated into the operating system. If you try to uninstall Microsoft Edge from your Windows 11 or 10 system, you'll notice that the uninstall option is often grayed out or disabled. However, there are methods to remove it if you are determined to do so. Before we begin, please consider the following points. It's crucial to have another browser, such as Google Chrome, installed on your computer and set as your default browser before uninstalling Edge. Additionally, it's highly recommended to create a system restore point before proceeding with the uninstallation. This will allow you to revert your system to its previous state if anything goes wrong. So, let's get started. Open your browser and search for Wise Uninstaller. Click on the first result. Click on the Download button. Go to your Downloads folder. Double-click on the installer. Click Install. Uncheck this option and click Finish. It will automatically launch the application. Navigate to the desktop app. Search for Microsoft Edge. Click on it. Choose the Force Uninstall option. This ensures all components are removed. Click Yes. Wait for the analyzing process to complete. Make sure all the checkboxes are ticked. Click Remove. Wait for the removal process to complete. Click OK. Go to Microsoft Edge under the Browser Extension section. Tick the checkboxes. Click Uninstall. Click Yes. Click on Internet Explorer. Make sure all the checkboxes are ticked. Click Uninstall. Navigate to the Metro App section. Search for Edge. Tick the checkboxes. Click Uninstall. Click Uninstall again. Wait for the process to complete. Close the Wise application. Select Not Interested. Now open the Windows search bar and type Registry Editor. Click on it. Expand HKey Local Machine. Expand Software. Expand Microsoft. Now right-click on Microsoft, select New, then Key. Name it EdgeUpdate. Select the newly created folder and on the right side, right-click and select New. Then select DoWord, 32-bit value. Name the value DoNotUpdateToEdgeWithChromium. Right-click on it and select Modify. Enter the value 1. Make sure this is set to hexadecimal. Click OK. Now close this window. Now restart your computer. After restarting, check if Microsoft Edge has been removed successfully. To check if Microsoft Edge has been removed, go to the Windows search bar and type Settings. Click on it. Navigate to the Apps tab. Click on Installed Apps. Search for Edge. As you can see, there is no search result for Edge. That means we have successfully removed it.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.